What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, you guys, I have to look at the impulse buy items because sometimes the stuff is just so cute, and I just found some super cute and kind of bobbly, like bobblehead pens. They are super adorable. We also have these super sparkle sticker books, and they're calling them prismatic stickers. I figured I would show you what they look like. And yes, they are really cute. Okay, they're all like super sparkly and prismatic. we're gonna go with the prismatic because I guess that describes exactly what we're seeing here. But I love them. I think they're so cute. I am really addicted to stickers, and as much as I want these, I am not gonna let myself get these because I don't need them. And I have thousands of cute stickers at home that I'm not even using. But these are so cute, you guys. Okay, I think we have more. Oh yeah, we do. We actually have this one with the little dog on the cover. Let's take a look at these. And then look, you guys, we have some cute little bags down here also. Some little summer bags that say chillin' and sunny. So we have chillin' and sunny, and then we also have some cute little unicorn flingers. Okay, let's look at these stickers. Just be a queen, peace, ice cream. These are really cute. Really cute. Now let's see if I can get them all back on. And then I'm seeing the backs of some of these planner stickers, but I have probably shown these to you guys in the past. I'm sure you guys have seen all of these in the past. The mermaids. We have a variety of them, and they're really cute. I'm also noticing some really cute hand sanitizer holders, little bottles. Oh my gosh, that one is so cute. Love the panda. We have little cosmetic bags. Soak up the sun. Sweet as a melon. Tropical. Here are all the little hand sanitizers. Oh, this one is so pretty. I love the blue and yellow and green together. Like, that is really cute. But once again, I totally don't need any more hand sanitizer. I have way too much at home as it is. Sticker books. Pencil sharpeners. Okay. Stainless steel? You said stainless steel what, honey?
Mixing bowl.
Oh, really? Oh, those are cute. Do they come as a 3-pack?
No.
No? Oh, these are so cute.
Did you show her the plastic?
Aw,
No.
so cute. Thanks for sharing those with me.
Down there, straight on this way.
Okay, down this aisle?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we looking for? You lead the way. A trio of bowls? Okay, let's see the bowls. Oh. Oh, those are cute. So we have square and, can I see the square ones? Ooh, and the blue. Okay, so this is a little veggie dip, and then, oh, these are cute. The soup holders.
I picked out everything in this color yesterday and bought one of each.
It's a really pretty color. I love it too. You guys have some hair accessories in that color too. I was like, I kind of want them. No, these are really cute. I like that they have the lids too.
Definitely.
Nice. Oh, and then we have blue. Thanks for showing these to me. Look, you guys, we have the blue. Dollar Tree is always trying to make cute little color combinations to get us interested. Look at this, you guys. A little 3-pack with the lids, and it's sort of an ombre color. And I'm just a sucker for cute stuff. But I think I'm going to refrain, though, you guys, because I was just going through my little Tupperware tumbler cupboard, and it's just way too full. I recycled a few things. I don't think I can fit anything else in it. Like, seriously. I think it's to capacity. Ooh, let's look at the ice cream, you guys. Should we look at the ice cream? Do we have any new ice cream? Butter pecan, vanilla bean, cookies and cream. We have the cookie sandwiches, toffee, crunch bars, best popsicles ever. Love those. The flavor of those is just perfect, you guys. I wanted to see if we had any new drink mixes, but I don't think we have any new ones this week. Those are delicious, by the way. The Sonic was new last week. I got one of each. They were really good. Actually, I got 2 of each. My store is loading up. The Snyder's. Do we have any new chips? Ooh, Smart Fries. We have classic sea salt. We also have aged white cheddar. Popcorners in kettle corn. That sounds good. Tons of pretzels. Let's go to the candy aisle, you guys. Let's see if we have anything new. We have Fiji's and the ice, what are they calling it? Let's see what's cold. We have the Icelandic glacial cold Fiji's. We have the cold coffees, the cold propels. We have the cold stackers and rippets. Lots of options. Simply caramel. What do you guys say? Caramel or caramel? I think those are new. New by Milky Way. The berries Sour Patch. Ooh, the Kool-Aid sour gummies. These are definitely new. Tropical Punch, cherry and grape. These are definitely new for the week. We get 4 ounces in a bag. Kool-Aid sour gummies. And then these are brand new by Airheads. These are called the Sourfuls. I think I'm gonna get some of those. Yeah, let's get some. Oh, and then we have these. These are brand new. We have cherry and grape and tropical punch. These are, again, the Kool-Aid gummies. So we have the sour gummies and the regular Kool-Aid gummies. Okay, we're finding lots of new things. The mini pops are back. The double bubble strawberry and watermelon are back, or maybe those are new. The blue raspberry blow pops are here. And you get 5 in a bag. 5 in a bag. And we have High Chews here this week. Love High Chews. We also have the High Chew Sweet and Sours. We have the sugar-free Chico Sticks, the sugar-free Russell's Dover. We have sugar-free Werther's, sugar-free Starlight Mints, sugar-free Lemon Hard Candy. These, by the way, work with your hard candy and your cotton candy machines. If you have one, they work really, really well. No complaints here. I've tried it before and they work so good. But yeah, you guys, I think that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I think that's it. I think I'm ready to leave and go do some other stuff. Look, you guys, we have the zero sugar hydros. Zero sugar. What's the flavor? I don't know. White. The flavor is white. Whatever that is. Okay, so we have zero sugar hydro. We have the Tropical Thunder, and I guess that's it in this location. My other store had a couple others, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try this one since it's zero sugar. I'm gonna try it and I'll let you guys know how good it is. But anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.